Removing dead branches from your trees and from your shrubs is very important. The key thing is to remove dead, diseased or damaged wood, the 3 Ds. If you leave dead wood in, and it happens to be warm and of course quite humid as well, you can get disease, fungal diseases that start. So removing dead wood is really easy. You can use these. Now these are Anvil Pruners, so it is a single blade coming on to a hard surface at the base, a bit like a sharp knife in a kitchen onto a chopping board. And these are really good for removing dead branches because it is very efficient. But when you come to some really thick bits like this end bit here, they can struggle because it's quite a thick piece of wood. But let me just show you these. Now these are an Anvil pair of pruners with a solid base and a blade, but they have a ratchet, enabling you to re-click it to give you maximum leverage. And look how easy that is. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in moments it can cut straight through heavy wood like this that you just couldn't do with normal pruners. So trimming wood and the like in your branches with one hand and a pair of these makes it so easy. For more information on gardening, especially using the right tools, just visit the website ames-tools.co.uk.